Welcome to Forklift Training Equipment Basics. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. This course has been enhanced with the J.J. Keller IQ Visual Learning System. How the system works is easy. As you progress through this course, various IQ tags will appear, like the one on this screen. These tags represent the key learning concepts of the program. You can click on the buttons to reveal more information about what that particular tag means. This will help you to build mental connections between the tags and the key concepts. After you've completed this course, you'll likely notice some of these tags throughout your workplace. These visual cues will help you recall what you were trained on in this course and connect it to your particular work environment. Here are the IQ tags you'll see in this course. Click on the buttons for an overview of what they each mean. To download a PDF of this information, click on Resources above.